What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel where we talk about how to build credit, how to establish relationships with banks and financial institutions, and most importantly, how to get you access to high limit credit funding. If that's something you like to listen to, we welcome you to subscribe. Otherwise, you can support our channel if you just like, share, or even comment down below. It helps our content get out to a wider audience, and we greatly appreciate the support. As a reminder, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get all the latest alerts on all the different content that we drop on the Credit Plug channel. So for today's video, I have another CDFI that I wanted to share. Now, this particular CDFI may not appeal to everyone because it is restricted to one particular state. So in that case, this video may not be for you, but I wanted to share this information anyways in case, it would benefit, someone. So the particular institution that I wanted to cover was the People Fund. So the People Fund is a community advantage lender as well as a CDFI community development financial institution. So I actually stumbled across this institution as I was doing research on the SBA Carl loan program, which actually ends in a couple days. So definitely go check out that video if you're interested in getting some funding through the Carl program. But anyways, the People Fund offers a variety of different COVID relief loan programs, as well as they are also a lender of the SBA Community Advantage loan program with loans from 50,000 up to 250,000, in addition to the SBA micro loan program with loans up to 50,000. But aside from their SBA and their COVID relief, they do have their own internal, loan program as well, which I thought was really interesting in terms of the criteria. So I'm going to jump over to their website and just run over some of their different products and services. So I'll see you over on the People Fund website. So here we are on the People Fund website, peoplefund.org. And again, People Fund is a registered 501c nonprofit in the state of Texas, as well as a community development financial institution and a community advantage lender. So I just wanted to go over some of their products. Wow, that food does look good. Anyways, they have a host of different COVID relief programs for businesses in different areas in Texas. I'm not going to go through all of this, but I just wanted to scroll through some of these different ones. So they have partnerships with different, cities. You have Eagle Pass, El Paso, Fort Worth, Pleasanton, Victoria. And then also, as I mentioned, the Community Advantage Recovery Loan Program through the SBA. So that's another program you can look into. And then just some other, more so local COVID relief programs. So then I also wanted to go over. So I did mention they have their own People Fund loans. They also do SBA 504, which are construction loans or commercial real estate loans rather. You have SBA Community Advantage up to 250,000, and then SBA micro loans up to 50,000. And then what I really wanted to go over was their flash funds, because this is going to be just more internal to People Fund, so their own bucket of funds. So let's go over the flash funds requirements, because I think that was really interesting. So the flash funds offers amounts up to $25,000 to help boost businesses. Now, part of what you'll need in order to apply, right? Your EIN documents, right? And business organization, articles of organization. For startups, you're going to need a copy of your business plan. Existing businesses, 3 months of business bank statements. You're going to have 3 months of personal bank statements and a minimum of 600 credit score required. So I did gather some data points because I do have another client who actually reached out, and some of the data points I wanted to share. They will be pulling your TransUnion credit report. So that's one very, very important thing. Now, when it comes to this 600 credit score, right? So The maximum loan for the flash funds is $25,000. But if you have a score between 600 but less than 650, then the most that you can borrow is 15,000. Now, if you have a 650 or higher, then you can borrow up to the full $25,000. So just keep that in mind. I know they don't specify that on their website, but that's just something that I've gathered from some, other data points as well. And then in terms of the interest rate too, so the interest rate for for this particular loan, although they don't state it, it's around 14%, which is kind of high on the higher side. But remember, look at the qualifications, right? A business plan, right? That's easy to put together. Your EIN, that's easy to supply. 3 months of business bank statements, 3 months of personal bank statements, and a 600 minimum credit score. So I mean, in terms of getting business loans, that's probably as easy as it gets, right? They're not asking for tax returns, anything like that. So this is a interesting, program right here, the People Fund Flash Funds. So if you're in the state of Texas, your business is in Texas, this is something that you can, seek out. Even if you don't have a business in Texas, you can open up a business in Texas because they do accept startups. So you can open up a business in Texas and, get access to this. So I'm just, like I mentioned, this isn't going to be relevant for everyone. I'm just throwing this information out there, and you can make of it what you want. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. This is another great CDFI, the People Fund, based out of the great state of Texas. And again, this flash fund, 600 minimum credit score, 3 months of business bank statements, 3 months of personal bank statements, and oh yeah, and then again, the business bank statements are only for existing businesses, and a copy of the business plan if you're a startup. So I mean, this is pretty easy to get if you ask me. So, anyways, I'm gonna post a link in the description of the video. If there's anyone who has any experience with the People Fund, definitely let us know in the comment section down below. And until next time, y'all take it easy, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.